The views and opinions expressed do not necessarily represent those of Access Fort Wayne, the Allen County Public Library, or any other supporting group. Get involved with Access Fort Wayne and make your own television programming. Call 421-1250 to find out more.
We are out here at the Ivy Custard Foot. First time they had done this in 2 years. And stay tuned for more.
Here, take a look, okay?
Okay.
This is one of our party buses. It's a 28 passenger. It's pretty nice. Think you could handle riding in something like this?
Oh yeah, this is real nice. This is real nice. You got a TV and everything. This is real
Yeah,
neat.
you can play a DVD back there, Bluetooth radio, and air conditioned, heat, all that. And we have the trolley and a smaller party bus there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
We're
what's your
going.
name?
Wesley?
Wesley?
Yep.
I'm George.
Nice to meet you. Thank
Same
you.
here. Yeah.
Yeah, we filming for my TV show, so.
Very good.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Well, enjoy looking around.
You too.
Thank you.
Go ahead. We are back out here at Custard Foot, and we are in a potty bus that they have. Here's the steering wheel. It's kind of a little bit big. You got a mic to talk to the people in the back. You got the horn. Real nice. And it's in the
There's a table. And way in the back, there's a TV. You can watch stuff on. And up above, there's an emergency exit, lights, a lot of seats, 2 tables, bunch of seat belts in the seats, a couple emergency exits. Now Wes is putting his seatbelt on.
Yeah. You got a horn here too.
It's down below there, Wes.
It's right here.
And all these are buttons that you push for like air condition and radio, heater, and that's your, right there is your gears telling you how fast you go, and for your oil and whatnot, for your battery, tells you how much gas you got. And that's your emergency brake right there. And if I'm not mistaken, that's your, probably your thing to throw out your window. And right there on the dash is a power to plug in things. And right there is storage.
Yum. And stay tuned for more.
No.
Ah! That is neat.
Ring a bell, that's when the driver stops and lets you off.
Yepper. Right. Now it's probably they don't have a city bus out here. I know they probably warned me. You work for and all that fun stuff.
Okay, well it's Club Car Limo and Trolley. It's on St. Joe, 5654 St. Joe Road. And I've worked there 4.5 years. But the man that owns it, Phil Coomer, he's been there, he's had the business for about 20 years. And so I say we have about 5 or 6 trolleys and 3 party buses and oh goodness, I'm not sure how many limos. About half a dozen limos, different sizes, anywhere from 10 to 24 passenger. Somebody coming on behind you there, Wesley? I'll come. So we have sedans, so if we just have somebody from the airport needs a ride, we use that. So, so you like
So you
drive?
guys do everything?
You like to drive?
No, I don't.
Okay, well, yeah, we several drivers. Some of them are school bus drivers, you know, for the city, school, and then they'll drive on the weekends, and we have different ones. They have, you know, regular jobs.
Yeah.
Not like me, I'm retired, so
Right.
I'm available. I mainly work in the office.
Oh.
Yeah. So yeah, it's kind of fun. Meet a lot of people, rent the vehicles. So
That's awesome. Thank you. And how do we get hold of you guys if they want to get hold of you guys?
you want what?
How do people get hold of you if they want to rent one of your
You know what? My boss was supposed to bring me a bunch of cards for Club Car Limo. I might have one here, but they can either look at us online at Club Car Limousine and Trolley, or our number's 260-492-2102. There's one of our cards, and I think that's the last one I have here today.
Thank you.
Well, you're welcome. Nice to meet you,
Nice
Wesley.
meeting you too.
Yeah, so enjoy. I hope the rain lets up and you can enjoy walking around, looking at all these vehicles.
Oh yeah, thank you.
Good. You're welcome.
Oh, it's not as big as the other one, but still nice.
Yeah, we'll hold your umbrella. This is cool. Just wait your turn. Hold on. Doing, yeah?
We were stopping by and see if you can talk to us about your thing here.
Yeah, well, this is an asphalt paver. So stationary, it goes 10 feet wide. It'll go out to 19 feet here.
Oh.
So the trucks are up front, they dump it. The mix comes through here, comes through the conveyor systems into the augers, then just pushes itself out. So we use it on highways and parking lots, stuff like that. So yeah.
Oh, that's awesome. How many people can you get on it?
How's it what?
How many people do you get on it?
What we do, we have a screw. We call him a screw man. So this controls the depth. All right.
Oh.
So this is going to take you up. It's going to take you down. So then you can run your extension right up here. You can run it out and you can run it in. If you want to put crown in the paver, you can do. You know what I mean? If you want to stop the auger, like you only have one operator, and that operator, even though we have two seats, he can switch from both sides. But you'll use 2 individuals on each side that will run the screws and stuff. So if you want to lay like 1.5 inches or 2 inches in a parking lot, it'll lay the depth there. So and then you just kind of control it. So if you're trying to look for a slope or drainage, that's how you control it. So yeah.
That's pretty awesome. Thank you.
You want to get up on top or anything? Or?
Yeah, Wesley, let's get a shot of you on top.
Get up on top.
Stuff now.
Big steps.
Big stuff up
Oh
there.
yeah, these are big steps.
Yeah. You can sit on either side. This side is drier. All right. So you sit down there, and what you can do, take this, and then you can bring it right down to you. All right. And then this here controls the speed. So you go forwards, and then you go backwards. So, but if you want to turn right, you take one, and you go the other way. So, and then like I said, the truck will be coming up front. All right. The truck will have it down, and then the truck, when they come, the operator will stick his thumb out. Then the truck will raise his bed up. The mix will come into the conveyor system, and then it comes into the and then this will slide out, so it will go out. So yeah.
Thank you.
Just watch it.
Okay. Don't make no falls.
Big steps. Got it?
There we go. Thank
You're
you.
welcome. Thanks for stopping by.
Thanks.
Would you like to go up?
Or welcome to have a roller or foam roller.
Oh. I would definitely take one. That's neat. Thank you.
Thanks for stopping
Thank
by.
you. That's quite unique.
You want to do a,
Tell us who you work for and what you got out here today.
Okay. I'm Mark with Blue Eagle Towing, and this is our custom-built 50-ton rotator. It tows semis and lifts trucks and rolls over trucks for accidents.
How much does this one tow?
It can tow anything on the road.
Oh. Thank you.
You're welcome.
thank you.
Do you have any questions about it?
Yes. Can you tell us who you does the flu and how we get hold of you?
We are actually through Ivy Tech. We're actually going to be only running the truck on premises this summer. We built a new patio area in the back of the school right along Coliseum. So we're going to be running that Thursday, Friday, and hopefully Saturdays. I'm sorry, Wednesday, Thursday, Fridays. We use it for externships for the students to give them an experience. We're still non-for-profit. Everything we do on the truck goes back into Ivy Tech.
Oh, that's awesome.
It's a very nice little truck. It's kind of a little large, but
Yeah.
it's fun. Get students in. We'll use it for fundraisers from time to time.
Oh, that's great.
What kind of food do you serve?
Well, being we do it through the hospitality department, we're not locked into a single menu. So we'll do anything from Asian to Southern barbecue. We'll sell baked goods off of here also. So that is the one advantage to being ran by Ivy Tech, is we can change our menu literally every week to something else.
Oh, that's awesome. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Are you able to tell us about your twat for Papa Sass House?
Well, this carries concrete to the job site, and it mixes it up in the drum. And when we get to the job, we turn the drum in the opposite direction so that the concrete comes out and goes down the chute. And we move the chute from side to side to pour it out for people.
Ask them how many cubic feet a minute it does.
How many cubic feet a minute does it does?
Well, there's 27 cubic feet to a cubic yard, and this holds 10 cubic yards.
Sounds like a lot.
Oh yeah, that is a lot.
So That's 40,000 pounds of concrete.
Wow.
So this truck will hold 47,000 pounds?
40,000.
40,000 pounds.
Yeah, a cubic yard of concrete weighs 4,000 pounds.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Stay tuned for more.
Okay, go ahead, Wesley.
Okay, we are out here at Trusted Foot. I am with Bob. And can you tell us what you guys do?
We sell lumber and building materials here in Fort Wayne, and yeah, just here to show off the truck, and hopefully the kids have a good time with it.
And can you tell us what you guys got on display today?
We've got a little bit of siding, building materials, windows and doors and things like that this truck would normally haul. So
awesome, thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. Back out here at the Trusted Foot. I am with
Doug.
And can you tell us about your clay?
It's a brand new Kim G680. It has 44 miles on it. And a working air horn.
Oh yeah, definitely a working.
Yep.
And you had a bed in there too?
Yes, there's two beds. There's one here. There's another one at the top. It's bunk beds.
Oh,
So 2 people can sleep comfortably in there.
that's awesome.
How many horsepower does this thing have?
I have to look, but it's probably around 500 horse.
500?
Yep.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Stay tuned for more. Yeah, here's your steering wheel. Yeah. Your horn.
You heard it in his ears.
Oh, I didn't mean it.
You heard it in his ears. Yeah.
Well, we are Kate's Cart. We are a nonprofit charity here based out of Fort Wayne. We actually service 21 hospitals all over Northeast Indiana. We've got a team of volunteers and hospital staff that give out books to kids that are in the hospital, whether they're there for a couple hours for an ER visit or a couple weeks or months for a serious injury or illness. So we're just great to be out here and sharing our story and mission and hearing stories from kids that got books.
Awesome, thank you.
Yep.
So you wanna be a doctor? Well, they're getting there is slow. A whole lot of school to learn the things you gotta know. We're going to call on our friend, the skeleton, and name these bones one by one.
We got the foot bones. Connect the shin bones. Connect the thigh bones. Connect the hip bones.
Now what we've got here is the lower half of the body, beautiful, and that's no laugh. The other bones of the body we need you see, 'cause put together neatly they make you and me. These bones gonna walk around. These bones gonna jump around. These bones gonna dance around. These body bones.
We got the finger bones. Connect the hand bones. Connect the arm bones. Connect the shoulder bones.
Now you and me are gonna play a little game. I'll point to the bone and you say the name.
Foot bone. Shin bone. Thigh bone. Hip bone. Finger bone. Hand bone. Arm bone. Head bone. And all these bones together make the curvy backbone.
Now that is good, and now you all know how the bones fit together from head to toe. Just stand close together and do your thing. We put all the bones together again as we sing. 1, 2, say what's in your shoe?
The foot bone's connected to the shin bone. The shin bone's connected to the thigh bone. The thigh bone's connected to the hip bones. These bones gonna walk around. And the finger bone's connected to the hand bones. The hand bone's connected to the arm bones. The arm bone's connected to the shoulder bones. And his body bone. Hey, stop!
Pine Hills Learning Place. It's a preschool and a daycare. It's located 113 DuPont Road.
Okay. And how do people get hold of you in case they want to like get enrolled? Their
Okay,
kids in?
we have that telephone number is right there. It's 260-637-3197.
Awesome, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Wait, let's go this way. Because we're right here. Let's look at these trucks.
What are you doing stuff?
Oh, I just drive from McMahon Tire.
Okay.
They haul tires and everything.
Oh, that's awesome.
So, you know, we got our other 2 trucks back there, but I'm over the road for them. And that's what I do with this one.
Oh.
So that's what we do.
And where you got the wolf thing from?
When we done that, well, I had a 96 International cab over. It was Lone Wolf 1. And then we bought this one, so we just made a Lone Wolf 2. And I just wanted something different than the American Eagle or something like that.
Yeah.
I just wanted something different that would stand out a little bit.
Oh, that is so awesome.
So
Thank you.
That's what we did.
Thank you.
Yep.
And a oil end frame overhaul and everything.
And I mean, it's done for $5,000.
This is nice.
Yeah, you're dumping. Yeah.
They are nice. I've been in them before.
He said he did regular end frame overhaul, and he ended up finding it.
Real nice. I've been in them before. They're really nice. I like them. I used to be married to a trucker. I used to ride with them all the time.
Oh, you should be alright.
Send me some of the pictures, will you?
Huh?
Did you get pictures of that?
I can get a picture.
Yeah, get a picture of it and send it to me, will you?
Yeah, I will.
See you later. Take care, buddy.
Yeah, this is real nice. Wolf right here.
Get a picture of the dog sitting there. From out here.
I don't get a picture of you.
Woo! That kills the ears. Hello. Ouch.
I know, you walk right in front of it.
That you travel on, there's one day here and the next day gone. Sometimes you bend, sometimes you stand, sometimes you turn your back to the wind. There's a world outside every darkened door where blues won't haunt you anymore, where the brave are free and lovers soar. Come ride with me to the distant shore. We won't hesitate to break down the garden gate. There's not much time left today. Life is a highway. I wanna ride it all night long. If you're going my way, well, I wanna drive it all night long. Through all these cities and all these towns, it's in my blood and it's all around. I love you now like I loved you then. This is the road and these are the hands. From Mozambique to those Memphis
What'd you think? Oh, not too bad. I know I
In the good old summertime, in the good old summertime, strolling through
Jerry here. I got some very important news to tell you about, but first I'm going to show you that something can come out of nothing. I've got blue, red, and white. I'm going to put that back in my hand. You know what that reminds me of? Red, white, and blue? Reminds me of the American flag. Isn't that something? Look at that. There it is. There. Now, American flag, like we always kind of know, fun times like 4th of July, things like that. But we got a special event coming up. It's from Wesley's TV. It's called Fun and Sun at the Park. Okay, and so please join all of us and all Wesley's crew and Wesley on Thursday, June 28th this year from 11 a.m. till 8 p.m. at Lakeside Park Pavilion, and it'll be number 2 pavilion, for a fun summer day with Wesley TV. We will have entertainment such as food and snacks and activities for all ages and a lot more. Please stay tuned for more information coming soon, and please follow us on Facebook at Wesley TV, which would be, or Wesley's TV Community Outreach Events for more details. And remember, this is going to be at Lakeside Park, Pavilion number 2, and the address is 1401 Lake Avenue in Fort Wayne. And when? It's going to be Tuesday, June 28, 2022, from 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. So we'll look for you then.
Talk to us about what your club is about and who you guys are from.
Yeah, we're with Northeastern RMC Power Company out of Puget City. We serve 30,000 consumers, pretty much the Boyd area and northwest Allen County, Huntertown area up and through there is what we serve in Allen County. We work on the power lines. We're a power company. We go out repair transformers, work on power lines and stuff.
Oh yeah, all the fun stuff.
Oh yeah. Yep.
Yeah, so can you tell us about what you have out here today?
Yeah, we've got a bucket truck out here. It goes 55 foot in the air. We can reach off to the side about, 25 feet, I believe, off to the side to get where we can get. So, yep.
That's awesome. Thank you.
Yep, no problem. You have a good day.
You too.
It is. Make it fit 3 people and it drives smooth.
Oh, that's awesome.
And then everybody else sits in the back.
Ooh.
Yeah, I get all the climate up front, they get whatever's happening outside.
Oh, that hurts.
Oh, it does. For them.
I know. I sat in the back of the truck and you went moving. That hurts.
This is have fun.
We must stand up to this defeat once and for all.
I hope this.
On the road again. Just can't wait to get on the road again. The life I love is making music with my friends. I can't wait to get on the road again. On the road again. Going places that I've never been. Seeing things that I may never see again. And I can't wait to get on the road again. On the road again. Like a band of gypsies, we go down the highway. We're the best of friends, insisting that the world keep turning our way. And our way is on the road again. Just can't wait to get on the road again. The life I love is making music with my friends. I can't wait to get on the road again. On the road again. Like a band of gypsies, we go down the highway. We're the best of friends, insisting that the world keep turning our way. And our way is on the road again. Just can't wait to get on the road again. The life I love is making music with my friends. I can't wait to get on the road again. I can't wait to get on the road again.
Whatever's inside is getting wet.
Oh, damn it.
You ain't got no electronics in it, do you?
No. No.
What's inside?
My notebook, my phone charger's in the case, in my plastic case.
When an applicant applies to Parkview, they're signing on for an adventure. Parkview is a new residency program. It's an opportunity for those who are a little bit adventurous to come in and help create a program.
I think the residents are going to be able to take ownership of this program. They'll be able to contribute to the infrastructure of the program.
What I look for when I look at medical student applicants is someone who's a self-starter. Students who are lifelong learners, people who are humble, and then also have the confidence to be a teacher so that they can learn that way.
You won't be anonymous here. Every resident's going to be very important. We're going to care very deeply about how well you do and that you have a good experience here. We're going to be working with core faculty that are invested heavily in your success.
Parkview has consistently been listed in the top 100 best hospitals in the country and also like in the top 15 health systems in the country. Parkview is a health system that focuses on excellence. There's excellent patient care every day for every patient. I think that focus on excellence is certainly something that we are extending into the residency program as well.
We have chosen to do the X plus Y structure of our curriculum, specifically the 4+1. What that means is that each resident is assigned a firm, and through that they spend 4 weeks doing a rotation, whether it's on the wards or in the intensive care unit or doing a consult rotation. And then their +1 week is spent doing a continuity clinic, so seeing patients in the office setting.
I mostly focus on the inpatient clinical rotations, our focus being mostly on bedside rounding and bedside teaching, but I also facilitate academic half-day, which usually happens on Friday afternoons.
So my role is mainly focused on the outpatient experience that the residents will have, organizing the clinic schedule, and also putting their schedules together for when they directly start their practices in residency.
The academic center, continuity clinic, and the wellness space, I think, is absolutely a sign that Parkview is vested in the residency program. We are creating a very dynamic curriculum, one in which includes workshops, includes reverse classroom, includes games, simulation, even retreats.
We have the Miro Center that offers research and simulation.
It's going to be an invaluable resource and an invaluable learning tool for you.
We have mentors in all the different subspecialists as well as in education, and anyone that you need to help you along the way, we'll have for you.
You know, we just believe that our program will empower residents for whatever career path that they choose.
So whether it's in the hospital setting or the ambulatory setting, doing research or doing community or doing fellowships, bringing that to Fort Wayne and Parkview is important.
And Fort Wayne needs the doctors. That's part of the reason why we're starting this program.
I find Fort Wayne is a great balance between the benefits of a large city, but also not being too large that you're bogged down with traffic and overcrowding and other things like that.
So it's a very affordable city. It's great for families. The school systems are wonderful, and there's lakes all around, so there's always opportunity to get outside and do some fun stuff. So it'll surprise you when you come. It's a great community.
Happy holidays from all of us at Parkview Health.
Nations call and we're listening. In the halls, floors are glistening. A beautiful sight. We're happy tonight. Walking in a wellness wonderland. Tucked away is the green bird. The sand can still get you transferred. We call the time out. They're sleeping, don't shout. Walking in a wellness wonderland. In the sim lab we can build a demo and pretend that it's a trauma case. Mel performs the world, we'll send a memo and let it make its way through cyberspace. Later on we'll retire, but for now let's inspire. Let's give what we can, be brave, take a stand, walking in a
We are back, and we are in our toilet. What do we do first?
Buckle up.
Yep. Seat belts.
Seat belts.
And ours is actually orange this time. Okay, seat belts fastened. This curtains.
Oh, they got a curtain, you see.
I got 2 arm glasses. Here's your dozen blank.
What the heck is it? What's that?
Here's your part initial 12. You got your horn and your airbag. Orange stuff. Your phone.
Where? Oh.
Right here on the steering wheel. You got your desk and all your monitors. Hazard lights. Parking brake, trailer brake. You got your radio.
Yep.
You got a trailer brake there too.
I want to see the video.
You can get it when you come over here.
Okay.
Don't have to kind of stress you about it. Here's the thing for your settings in the back. You got a sun visor.
One is in danger.
Yep. You ain't got a sunroof.
Up here. Whoa.
Yeah. You got things to put your stuff in.
Yeah.
You got speakers on the door.
Oh, right here?
Yep. You got your thing for your like phone. You got like a select thingy.
Yep.
Boom boom. You got top holders. Stay tuned for more.
Water, water everywhere, we're gonna get wet. Won't you come along on the river?
Now here we are in another truck. What do we do first?
Buckle up your seatbelt.
Yep, seat belts. Okay, I fasten in. I can adjust my seat down here.
Yep.
Okay, I got an armrest. Here's your steering wheel. Your initial fly reverse, dash and brake.
Oh, cannot see us.
You can wait, Ronnie. You can come over here and get it.
Okay, it's too small.
You got your speed monitor, gas, and all that fun stuff.
Yep.
You got heat, air conditioning there. You got your heat, air conditioning settings. Your fan. You got a radio. I got a horn. And I also have an airbag there too. I can, if I think there might, you can maybe, you can adjust the steering wheel. On this one, this is nice. You got the sun visors. You can roll the window down.
Oh yeah, it's like
you can adjust the seat where you can even lean back if you wanted to. Let me do it so. Here a little bit. You can even adjust your seat back if you wanted to. And stay tuned for more.
That you travel along, there's one day here and the next day gone. Sometimes you bend, sometimes you stand, sometimes you turn your back to the wind. There's a world outside every darkened door where blues won't haunt you anymore, where the brave are free and lovers soar. Come ride with me to the distant shore. We won't hesitate to break down the garden gate. There's not much time left today.